All right, here we go. We got the 2024 Evolution, the Plus 4 model. And this is in the new sky blue color. Color matching wheels on it. 14-inch. It's got the color matching cup holder. Bluetooth touchscreen, microphone for you talk into, take phone calls. There's the speakers down below. 110 amp battery. This thing goes about 25 miles an hour. Back seat. Street legal. Extended roof. You can fully customize this golf cart on our website, eastcentralsports.com. You can add your own rims and tires. There's a discount if you decide not to keep the factory wheels. If you add aftermarket, you can add sound bar, lights, whatever you want. www.eastcentralsports.com.